Today I'm going to talk about power washing and about my power washer, how I got it. This power washer, I got this power wash, guess for how much? $100. I got it for $100 on a junk job that I did. I actually discounted on the junk job, took $100 off, told the customer I'll take it, we'll just take $100 off of the junk job. Tried it out, it worked fine. Only problem it had, only cost me $250 to fix, was right here where the carburetor is at. It was all gunky. Cleaned it out, it should work again. So the job I'm doing today with this power wash, we clean the front of the house, take all that black off. One thing I learned when you're dealing with these small machines, don't ever, please don't ever put 87 gas in these engines. Don't ever put 87 gas in any of these engines. Make sure you use the 93, the very high octane gas, into these engines, because the other gas contain a lot of water in it. So you want to put more gas than the gas mixed with water, like 87. 87 will work fine in your car, regular car, but in these little small engines, you need to put 93. Okay? Nothing less than 93. Trust me, it'll cost you money. I learned that lesson from a snowblower I had, where I put 87, let it sit, didn't even put the stabilizer in it, let it sit for a whole year. Then when it was time to use it again, didn't work again. So make sure you put 93 and you put that stabilizer in the gas. That way it doesn't mess up your carburetors. Okay, and if you're able to, I don't have it in this one, but I do have it in my lawnmower, where they put a cutoff switch between the gas line that goes into the carburetor. It's good to put that in there too. When you're messing with a power washer like this one, make sure that the water is connected onto it, because the water system keeps the engine cool. So before you turn it on, make sure the water is connected and the water is on, because the water circulates in the engine and it keeps the engine cool. So this system came, this whole thing came with it, this came with it, all the tips came with it, the hose came with it. Right now I'm using this hose, but the customer also gave me a hose with it, just to show you. It's time to turn it on. So we put this on to run, take it off the rabbit, take it off the stop on the turtle right here, put it on rabbit, turn it on, and let's pull it. it goes. That's the after. Nice and clean. And guess who helped me out? Helped me out with the power wash.
Jay Jr.
Little Jay.
Yep.
You have fun?
Yep.
Was it easy to use?
Yeah.
So it's so easy that how old are you?
7 years old.
A 7-year-old could handle the machine. What do you want people to do?
Subscribe.
Say it again, louder.
Subscribe.
Subscribe to our channel, right?
Yep.